A mini PC for video editing provides a powerful, compact solution for creators who want efficiency without compromising on performance. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 mini PCs for video editing this year. You can find more details and pricing through the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini M4. Apple's Mac Mini is a standout in compact computing, and the M4 edition takes it to new heights. It features Apple's custom M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, making it perfect for intensive video editing, from rendering 4K video to handling real-time effects. With up to 64 gigabytes of unified memory, it enables quick access to data, which is vital when you're working with large files and complex timelines. The Mac Mini M4's sleek, space-saving 5x5-inch design also integrates advanced cooling to keep performance steady during long editing sessions. Plus, you'll find multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, and USB-C ports to connect your essential peripherals. Priced at $599, the Mac Mini M4 is an incredible value for the power it offers. Pros: powerful M4 chip for seamless editing. Compact design saves desk space. Multiple Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C ports. Affordable starting price of $599. Cons: limited upgrade options. The 256GB SSD might need additional storage. Power button placement could be inconvenient. Number 2. GEEKOM S6. GEEKOM's AS6 offers impressive performance with its AMD Ryzen 9 processor, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and 512GB SSD. It delivers smooth video playback and rendering, including high-res 4K editing, thanks to the integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics. The AS6 is not only powerful but also eco-friendly, with its energy-efficient design ensuring minimal power usage without sacrificing output. Its variety of ports supports a broad range of external peripherals for your editing setup, making the AS6 an excellent all-around choice for those seeking performance and sustainability. Pros: high performance with AMD Ryzen 9 and 32GB DDR5 RAM, energy-efficient design for eco-conscious users, versatile connectivity for multiple devices. Cons: limited availability in certain regions. Its compact size may cause thermal throttling under heavy use. Number 3. Beelink SER6 Pro. For video editors who need both power and efficiency, the Beelink SER6 Pro is an excellent choice. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, this mini PC offers outstanding processing power, ensuring smooth rendering, encoding, and editing. It supports high-speed RAM and fast storage options, which enhance your workflow. The SER6 Pro features an efficient cooling system to prevent overheating during heavy workloads, maintaining high performance without interruptions. And its compact form factor, along with various USB-C and HDMI ports, ensures a smooth experience even when working with high-resolution monitors or external storage devices. Pros: robust performance with AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor. Efficient cooling system prevents performance drops. Multiple ports for seamless peripheral connections. Cons: limited internal upgrade options. Cooling system might produce some noise under heavy workloads. Number 4. Minisforum Mercury EM780. The Minisforum Mercury EM780 stands out as a truly compact mini PC, measuring just 80 by 80 by 44 millimeters, making it perfect for spaces where every inch matters. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7840U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of boosting to 5.1 GHz, paired with integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics. With 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, it offers fast data access for multitasking and video editing. You'll also get HDMI, USB 4, USB 3.2, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 support. The efficient cooling keeps things quiet under pressure, though the RAM is soldered in and non-upgradable, which could limit future expandability. Pros: ultra-compact design saves space. Powerful Ryzen 7 7840U for solid performance. Quiet cooling system for smooth operation. Multiple port options for various setups. Cons: non-upgradable 16GB of RAM. Cooling system may make noise under intensive tasks. Number 5. Asus ROG NUC 970. The Asus ROG NUC 970 stands at the top of mini PC performance, boasting an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor with 16 cores and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it perfect for intense tasks like 4K video editing or gaming. Equipped with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 5600 RAM and a 1 terabyte and 2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, it delivers fast storage and memory. The compact design allows the NUC 970 to fit easily into various spaces, and it runs quietly, even during high-demand tasks. It's also customizable, with upgradable RAM and storage, allowing you to expand as your needs grow. The trade-off is its higher price point compared to other mini PCs and its plastic chassis, which may not feel as premium at that price range. Pros: exceptional performance for video editing and gaming. Compact size fits into various setups, quiet operation under high load, upgradable RAM and storage. Cons: high price tag. Plastic materials may feel less premium for the price. Thank you for checking out our top 5 mini PCs for video editing in 2025. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments below, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Stay tuned.